Maka-chans. So, welcome to Hasa 8 channel. So, and my mom is there, my vlog is here.
Hello guys!
Welcome to Hasa 8 channel. Don't mind of the pantalon and the bikini because it looks like that I am octopus.
No, you are so very beautiful today to your outfit. So guys, maliligo na naman kami sa beach. Sa beach. Beach! Tabing dagat, hindi beach ha. Bad yun guys.
Because my hands are tired.
So guys, ayan, it's 6:14 na.
Boy.
Yes. Naghihintay kami sa kaibigan ni Yazoy ng panganay ko. Si Salwa, kasi sasama.
Yes. And guys,
Wow!
guys, I really want to choose a bikini. Ma, you know what we can just do? I can just put the bikini down.
Where's Salwa?
Do I swim? Ma, but do.
Okay. Yes, of course. Salwa is here. Dala siya ng tubig. Say hi. Hi to our vlog. Wala ata ang parking. It's full. Sige nga, tabi ako. Bigan ko. Magkasunod lang pala kaming dumating. So, yan. We're here. Yes, guys. Yan.
Mom, we'll go with Yazzie and Salwa.
Yeah. Wala mo. Yes, ayun guys. Meron silang mga rentahan ata yan eh. Ang daming tao dito guys. There. Sabi ko, bakit mo ako tinitingnan? Bakit hindi mo ako tinutulungan? So guys, welcome to my vlog. Ayan guys, super ganda dito. Mashallah, see? Napakaganda nito.
Mom, I'm gonna do something no dirty.
Yeah. Hi guys, kita yung mulo. Okay na? Hi guys, dali ko ganun kasi siguro. Hi guys, may pusa guys. Gutom, bigyan mo na ng chips. Bigyan ko na ng Sabi ko kasi ganun guys. Oh, dito. Para maganda dito, malinis. Ayan. Dati dito rin tayo tino. Ayan, kaya pala tumataba ito si Madam.
Kamu nih ngay.
Hello, everyone.
Ay, ikaw gusto mo talaga mag-hello everyone? Ayan.
Hello,
This is my brother and this is my
May.
food. This is my food.
Yan ang hasa. Yan ang dalawa. Salong lang. Okay, kahit. Saan yung bag? Guys, andito na kami sa beach. May araw pa rin. Ayan si Salwa. Ayun yung mga... Salwa. Go and swim. Guys, pupunta muna ako sa sasakyan kasi nakalimutan ko yung bag ni Hasa. Ewan ko ba kung dala nila yung bag ni Hasa. Hello guys! Welcome to my vlog! So guys, dito meron silang CR. Maganda dito kasi dito after mong mag-swimming may toilet sila. Ayan o. Ayan. Ladies toilet. Tapos may pang lalaki din sila. Ayan guys, may nagbibenta din dyan. Tapos may mosque. Ayan. Ganda yung pang-clock nila dito. Meron din silang pang lalaki. So, bawal mag-shisha, mag-barbecue. Ayan na. Pupunta muna ako sa car kasi naiwan daw ni Hasa yung kanyang bag. Ewan ko ba kung andoon ba. Ayun yung labasan nito. May mosque. Dito lang ito sa Hamria Beach. Pero iba yung open beach. Ito naman, hindi siya open beach. Till 12 lang sila madaling gabi. Nagbubukas. So guys, kunin muna natin yung bag. Ewan ko ba kung nadala yun ni Yazoy. Mga bata talaga. Ayan guys, ang ganda. So dito guys, bawal mag-bicycle, mag-skating. Ayan. May mga rules sila. Ito pwede kang mag-walking. Ayan. Ayan. Hanggang dun sa dulo, pagdating mo sa dulo, may mga pang-exercise sila na nakalagay. Ganda dito yung lugar na ito. Tapos may ano pa sila. May dates. Ayan. Ganda. Dali na, te! Kay kuan na sila, no? Bawal na siguro maligo. Dali na, maghulom lang taka, dali.
So, kala nila, maligo tao nila.
Oo, di ba bisag kuan sa Talas, yan lang. It's okay. So guys, stop na kami maligo kay Hasa. Sa Hasa? Later. Yan guys, katatapos lang namin maligo. Sarap maligo.
But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, maybe you'll get sick of being the monster out of my head, under my bed. Think you're something out of my nightmares, standing right there. But if I
Never really know just what you want. With you I don't ever feel calm. I can feel the sweat inside my palms. Play with me like cats and a string. You don't understand the pain it brings. You don't ever wanna give me wings. You don't ever wanna set me free. You know I'm addicted to you, and it's twisted, you've been gifted with the evil voodoo. Got me coming back for more, even when I've been screwed. Dolls full of pins, pierce my heart straight through. I got issues in my head, I like you in my bed, but you keep me on red. Oh, everything is like a test, I better not text or I'll come off desperate.
But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, baby, you'll get sick of being the monster out of my head, under my bed. Think you're something out of my nightmares, standing right there. But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, then will you get bored of killing?
So if I play dead, will you regret everything that you did, that you said? I don't think you understand what you're doing, and my heart's black and blue from the bruising. I feel like when I'm with you I'm losing. I feel like you think that this amusing, sitting there gaslighting and confusing. Was it me? Is it me? Am I deluded? I'm the one who's always sorry, the conclusion. Even though I offer all of the solutions, I wish you loved me like I love you, it's stupid. When I'm alone with you I never feel lucid. I wish I wasn't struck by Cupid. I wish when I first saw you I knew this. When I'm with you I feel so useless, I feel diluted, my heart's been wounded. Silhouettes of you are like a taunt. Never really know just what you want. With you I don't ever feel calm. I can feel the sweat inside my palms. Play with me like cats and a string. You don't